Hey guys, today I introduce the super healthy dish, Numa Swamp. Numa is a famous dish in Japan, popularized by YouTuber and muscle builder Shiny Azami. It's a super healthy meal, rich in protein, low in fat, and packed with a dietary fiber. I have been eating this the past month and managed to shed 5 kilograms. It's a diet-friendly meal, yet incredibly delicious. Let's share how to make this nutritious and yummy Numa. Come on, let's get started! Introduce ingredients. This dish is made using only the rice cooker, no knives or no scissors. It's incredibly easy to prepare and you won't have many dishes to wash. Here's what you all need. Dried shiitake mushroom, dried wakame seaweed, chicken breast, okra, rice, and seasonings, salt, curry powder, and as my personal twist, dashi bonito. That's all you need. Let's get started! Begin by placing the rice in the rice cooker and give it a good rinse. Sometimes rice can have some impurities, so it's a good idea to wash it before cooking. Next, add the wakame seaweed. You can use as much as you like since it's rich in the mineral and dietary fiber. Next is the dried shiitake mushroom. We use dried ones because there is a rich in concentrated flavor and they serve as both an ingredient and sauce broth. Plus, the best part is that you don't need a knife for this. You can as many as you like. Now let's prepare the okra. Wash the okra and remove the top of black part. Okra has a wonderful ability to tenderize chicken breast, so it's a great addition. You need around 5 of them for this amount. Next, let's add the seasonings. First, the dashi bonito, which is my personal twist to enhance the umami in broth. Then, add salt and curry powder. The curry flavor really boosts the appetite. Now, add 600 ml of water. Lastly, add the chicken breast. Where in the original version, they remove the fatty skin, but I prefer to keep it as it adds more flavor. Let it all cook for 60 minutes. However, there's a small point to note. When you make this dish, your house will fill with the smell of curry. So, if that bothers you, be cautious. The rice cooker might also remain the hit of curry smell. That is why I always use a dedicated rice cooker for this dish. Now, after the 60 minutes, you have your Numa. The rice is cooked and chicken is done as well. But it's not done just yet. You need to keep it warm for at least 8 hours to let it get really smooth and sticky. So, you need to wait for a bit more time. After 8 hours, it becomes this gooey and sticky because that is why it's called Numa or swamp. Additionally, let's shred the chicken with the rice powder. Because it has been kept warm, it's incredibly easy to shred. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Oh, even before the taking a bit, the aroma of the curry is so enticing, and it's surprisingly delicious for a diet meal. Look at this! It's become so creamy with just a heat from the rice cooker. It's really tasty. And with all the protein, you'll gain the muscle too. It's a perfect meal. Why don't you give it a try, folks? By the way, this whole meat is about 800 kilocalories. So if you stick to this, you'll surely lose the weight. And if you combine it with some exercise, you might just achieve the transformation like this. So enjoy this delicious and healthier Numa, and let's all get healthier together! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!